The 5x114.3 25mm wheel spacers are a kind of wheel upgrade accessory that has now become a common practice among many car modifications lovers. If the offset is not ideal, a set of 25mm wheel spacers can fix the wrong offset. They can also improve stability, handling, and overall appearance of the car. The first difference is that the stance of the car will be wider. After 15 25mm wheel spacers, you can move the wheels further away from the suspension. This increases the track width. As the track width increases, the Lexus IS performance tends to become more stable, and handling usually improves as well. The lateral grip of the tires is also improved. With these 25mm spacers, you can feel more comfortable when cornering. Installing 25mm wheel spacers is an effective way to increase the clearance between the wheel and the brake caliper. This can be especially useful if you plan to fit larger brakes or wheels on your Lexus IS. The additional clearance provided by the spacers can prevent the brake from rubbing against the wheels. A car with a lower center of gravity will handle better, thanks to reduced roll and more even tire loading. What's more, you can change the offset by adding 25mm wheel spacers of the appropriate thickness. This improves the overall ride experience. Heat dissipation is something that should not be overlooked by anyone seriously about the performance potential of their Lexus IS. BONOSS Forged FT cooling 25mm wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distributed in pedal shape, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. In addition, BONOSS 5x114.3 25mm wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the bevels fit the corresponding hub flange, which eliminates any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since spacers are components that can touch the other part, you need tight tolerance. Also, BONOSS Forged FT cooling Lexus IS wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind.